born in one place. So I take care Tatang for how many years? From high school, 4 years. I take care of him. Cooking for him. At the end of the year, I don't know what happened to him. He tried to
I guess so. That's what you're trying to say.
And then I don't want that because I am really
Sorry, I got it from.
not mingling with boys, but there are many admirers. I have 20 years old, but I don't want. That's why I like him.
No, you're the one who said
No, no. Then after that, after high school married, 1949. And from 1949 until now, we got married for 65 years already. So that's our story. We have 8 children, 22 grandchildren, and 10 great. And I thank God for all the blessings. We begin from nothing. Tatang doesn't know anything to work in the field, but that's the story of ours, and that's why God bless us. We came here. God bless us.
Anong ngarti ka na nakalinya kang litsonan o bakwarta na?
Basta ibagayo ng Charlie, ang muna tiko na. When you wake up, when you lie down, thank you Lord. You ask everything that you want to God, and that God will provide. It's not a joke. If you ask something to God, He will provide. So that's my testimony to all of you that the blessing of the Lord is so much to our family. You know what? From the original, how we come here.
You gotta go.
It's not that easy how we earn our stay in America where the Lord bless us for a better way of living. That's why you kids don't forget to give thanks to the Lord because God
Love you,
provides
Mama.
us all of the
Love you.
blessings.
Thank you.
And
I love you, Mama.
Like us to wake up. We thank the Lord for all the blessings.
My God.
We're here to see you in Camden.
Good.
Hi, Mama. You remember me? Yes. What's my name?
I forgot everything.
It's okay.
Yes.
I remember you.
Yeah.
Hi, Mama.
Because I'm your grandma.
Yes.
Where are you going?
To see you. We're here for you.
Visit.
Come to visit you.
That's my testimony to you. That's why you obey whatever God tells you, you obey. Because God is the provider of everything. Our life is His. Everything that I ask God, He provides. That's why I thank God so much. When you ask God seriously, God will listen and give it to you. That's my testimony to all of you so you can remember the life of Nanay. Mapantayo amin. Hantay lang nga ang kigiddan. So nga, you are always ready to go. Our life is not ours. It's God's.
No, agtingnaya kaya po. Pakawanin na, nalaan na ko na ako. Nya garon. Umaya ka.